What's up, guys? Thanks for joining us. This is Steve from Card Break NL, man, and we are here with a huge team random. I'm nervous, and I'm not even in the break. I'm nervous for you guys. Let's go. I know it's a big price tag, and people are looking for those big teams, so let's do it. We're live, and good luck. Here is your time. It's 10:49 in Newfoundland, and here's your list. We got Matthew. Take a good look all the way down. All the way down to Mr. Clay, who just took spot 30 home in the last minute. We also have Anaheim, all the way down to Winnipeg. There's no Vegas needed in this stuff, so we're good to go. 30 teams, 30 names, folks. Let's do it. 10:49 on the clock. 1, 2, 3. Is the timestamp?
The one thing I do know is I've been on the field and I've played less than 100%. I've played hurt.
Timestamp on 3.
I've played where I've needed
10:49. 10:50 it just turned, so we're on our last and final random here for teams.
This year,
We'll copy them over.
Sure that I'm not going out there and I'm, shelling myself and just trying to, put up numbers and get games.
Fourth and final timestamp. 10:50. Take that deep breath. 10:50 it is. We got Winnipeg, top spot, to Philly.
But I am going to do this right and make sure that I am 100% before I get back on the field.
What does rehab
Winnipeg
look
to
like?
Philly. Who did I miss? Winnipeg to Philly. Oh, no, that's right, sorry. And Dallas to San Jose. All right, there's your teams, folks. Now let's match up the names. It is 10:50 still. Better to turn 10:51 there in a second. Matthew, down to Clay. Good luck, guys. 1,
To do some band work,
2,
shoulder exercises, and
3.
then I just try to keep my lower body strong.
Timestamp?
A bunch of different workouts. Mostly body weight right now because I can't hold the weights, but I'll mix in some cardio here soon on the bike.
Timestamp on 3.
Really,
10:50.
trust our
10:51 it is. We're on our last and final here.
very educated, very smart, and something that
Oh, let's get your last and final timestamp first.
not necessarily in baseball, but in their lives as physical.
Fourth
therapists
and final. I'm sure everyone is nervous as hell here. 10:51. 10:51, folks. Let's do it. No time like the present. We got Clay down to Brennan.
Stick around here for this current homestand.
Clay to Brennan, and then Clay to Mr. Sanford. All right, folks. There is your teams. We will post them in the comments, and we will see you very soon. This time tomorrow night for the break. Best of luck.
See how I progress over these next 4 or 5 days, and